This is the Port au Prince. It's a creation of Don the Beachcomber from the 1930s and is named after the capital of Haiti. What is the crack? My name's the Rusty Bartender. Welcome to the channel, or welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, we're making every single cocktail from Steve the Bartender's Cocktail Guide. Today's cocktail is the Port au Prince, so let's get started. This drink, depending on where you are in the world, if it's the US, I think it's coming into the end of your summer, and in Australia here, it is coming into spring. This is a perfect drink for that kind of type of weather. For today's drink, I'm making it in a blender, and we're going to give that a quick flash blend. If you've got a milkshake maker, even better, use that. Just before we start this drink uses a Haitian rum, which I do not have and could not get. So I'm just using a Jamaican rum. But if you're wanting to make this drink properly, use a Haitian rum, because from what I've read, the Haitian rum uses pure sugar cane, so it's a bit like rum agricole. It's gonna have those grassy notes, but it's not as strong as that. It's a bit lighter in flavor. With that being said, let's get started into this drink. Okay, so to get started, 1 dash of Angostura bitters, 1 dash of grenadine, and then we're going to try and get 1/2 ounce of lime juice from this lime. Hopefully it's juicy enough. Let's see, what have we got? What have we got? By the power of Thor. There we go, 1/2 ounce of freshly squeezed lime juice. We're then going to go 1/4 ounce of Demerara syrup. I've just made a little fresh batch here, so I'm good to go. We are then going to go 1/2 ounce of falernum. This is going to give us our lovely spicy clove sort of notes, flavors, sort of thing. And then 1.5 ounces of our rum. Even though I'm not using the right type of rum in this drink, you know it's still going to be good. The flavors are going to be there. It's just not going to be like the original recipe. And then 1/2 ounce of pineapple juice. I'm just going store-bought today because that's what I've got. I'm not going to use a whole pineapple just to get some juice today, especially because regular viewers know I'm allergic to pineapple juice. Just go add some crushed or pebble ice to your blender, or your milkshake maker. And we're just gonna give this a quick flash blend. And that should be enough. And you're gonna grab yourself a highball or a Pilsner glass, would be perfect for this, and just dump everything straight in. And just top off with some more crushed ice if needed, and we do need. Garnish with a lime wedge. And there you go, folks. This is the Port au Prince.